What's up, everybody? It's Taylor Soper from GeekWire, and we are here at Safeco Field, home of the Seattle Mariners. Just a few hours before they take on the Pittsburgh Pirates. We're going to actually go inside the clubhouse and talk to the players and coaches and find out what they think about the intersection between baseball and technology. Let's go see what they had to say.
That's too much stuff to have in your head when you're pitching. I mean, when you're pitching, you don't have to think about it. You just got to go out there and make pitch by pitch, one at a time, and just be who you are. Yeah, I mean, I think when you're watching too much videos, it's too much information in your head. So,
you know, there's a time and place for it. I think if you get caught up too much, there's no point even playing the game. I think a lot of people put so much emphasis on it that it's like, you know, you just might as well play like, you know, when they do the NFL when they emulate the Super Bowl by playing a Madden game with the two teams. You might as well just watch that.
In my case, he helped me tremendously when I was managing, and nowadays with the players becoming whiners, not whiners of wine, but why this, why that. We encourage them to ask why, and it gives us an opportunity to prove to them, why do we want you to stand here on defense? Why do we think you should swing at pitches in the strike zone? Now we can show them their batting average on pitches that are in the strike zone, and their batting averages and pitches out of the strike zone, and just a bunch of other stuff on both ends of the game that back in the days when we didn't have computers and we didn't have all this information, they weren't aware of it.
I think we know more about the players, and I think the players know more about themselves, and they know more about their opponents. It's kind of interesting because for some players, that information is a good thing, and it helps them, and it makes them perform better on the field. For other players, and I've talked to guys, whether they be current or former Mariners or players for other teams, that the more data that they have, the worse that they are. It's paralyzing, the amount of information.
You know, I've kind of tried to be careful about it, though, not do too much, but try to, you know, use it for what it's worth. You know, the data's out there, whether it's your release point, you know, maybe your release point on the curveball, your curveball was feeling good that day, so you go back and see where the release point was on it, and then, you know, you just kind of use small baby steps, and different people, you know, will like different things, so it's really just going to be a personal player thing.